Hi, I'm WDET Morning Edition host Pat Batcheller, and this is Paulette Epstein from the Michigan Science Center, and we're talking about a celestial coincidence that's going to be happening with the full moon at the end of January. We got three things going on here: a supermoon, a blue moon, and a blood moon. And Paulette's going to explain what all those are. Let's start with the supermoon here.
So the supermoon is when the moon is a lot closer to us than normal. It's at what we call perigee, and at the other end it's at apogee, so furthest away from the Earth.
And what is a blue moon, besides one of my favorite ice cream flavors?
So a blue moon is when we have two full moons within a month.
And a blood moon?
A blood moon would be a lunar eclipse. Now it appears as if it looks like a blood moon because the sunlight is actually still hitting the moon. It's going around our atmosphere and projecting onto the moon, but it appears a red color because it's going through so much atmosphere that the only wavelength that reaches the moon is that red color.
Now, how often do we have a situation where all of these things are taking place at once?
Well, so it hasn't happened in about 154 years, and it probably will be about that long before we get our next one.
And when is this one happening? When can we see it?
So this one will be actually the morning of the 31st at about 6:45. We should start seeing our partial eclipse starting, and then at about 7:45 or so, the moon is going to be going down below the horizon, and we won't be able to see it for much longer.
And that's in the morning?
That's in the morning, yep.
All right. Well, we'll keep an eye out. Hopefully it'll be clear enough to see. Paulette Epstein from the Michigan Science Center, thanks for coming by.
All right, thank you.